Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Oh,
We are fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Thank you very much.
How are you,
My dear
ma'am?
students, I hope all of you are ready with your literature workbook part 2. Please make sure about it.
Yes.
Yes. Those who are ready with the book, I want them to be on page number 11. Page number 11.
Ma'am, I already took it.
You have already taken it. Very good. I have already taken it. Taken it. Yes. You must learn to speak in correct and complete sentences. Try to do that. I will help you. Okay? Yeah, good. So as we were discussing now, we have learnt about the various things used in 2 specific rooms of a house. Which are those 2 rooms that we have learnt about? Ashif, unmute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Afreen, what is it?
Ma'am, bring the water.
Yeah, please have. Ashif, unmute. Yeah. Which 2 rooms of the house have we discussed about, Ashif? Yes, Ashif?
Living room.
Living room and the kitchen. Yes, very good. Okay. Sivanedya, unmute. Sivanedya, unmute. Tell me the names of 5 things that are commonly used in every living room.
Sofa.
Hmm.
Chair.
Try to think. You must try to think what all things are there in the living room of your house and give the answer accordingly.
Okay. Sofa.
Hmm.
Chair.
Hmm.
Table. TV.
Hmm. TV. Did you say TV? TV. What is the complete name? What is the TV called as? It has a complete name. TV.
TV.
Anybody else wishes to answer that question? Prithvi, come on.
Television.
Television, yes. TV is also called television. That is the complete name. Try to use the complete name, my dear students. Then only you will learn. Your vocabulary will increase. Very good, Prithvi. Thank you. Sivanidya, repeat. Welcome. Television.
Television.
Television, yes. The TV is the short form. The correct word is television.
Television.
Okay, yeah. You have named 3 things. Tell me the names of 2 more things used in the living room.
Curtain.
Sorry?
Window.
I can't hear you.
Window.
Window. Windows are there in all the rooms, my dear. I want you to tell me the names of things used only in the living room. Specifically in the living room.
Carpet.
Carpet, yes, very good. Where is the carpet placed?
Down.
Down? What is the name of that part? Down, I agree. The position is down. But what is that area called? There is a particular word for that also. What is it? What is it? Yeah. Who can tell me? Krishna Raj, try. Yes. I saw everybody.
Floor.
The floor, yes. Sivanidya, did you get the word? Repeat. Floor. Yes, the carpet is placed on the floor of the living room.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Welcome, Krishnaraj. Good effort, Sivanidya. Try to keep the new words in mind and use them the next time I ask you, okay? Not just I ask you, not just when I ask you. You must remember it. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Anthony, unmute.
Yes,
Tell me the names of 5 things used in the kitchen.
fridge,
There is a complete name for that. What is it? We have discussed in the previous session, remember? Devadarsh, sit properly. What is the fridge also called as, my dear? Yes, you're right. Say it confidently. It is absolutely fine to go wrong, my dear. That is how we learn. It's okay to make mistakes. Yeah, try. Refrigerator. 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 Oh, it's a long word. I can understand. Refrigerator. Try to keep it in mind. Okay, Anthony?
Yes.
Yeah, come on. Tell me the names of other things. Refrigerator, then
Oven,
oven. Okay. Oven. It's not oven. Oven.
oven,
Oven. Okay. Then
cupboards,
cupboards. Okay. Cupboards. Then
table,
table. Okay. To keep things organized, right? Then
chair,
one more. Chair. Okay. Fine. There are many other things, right? Table and chair can be placed in any room. Tell me things which are used specifically in the kitchen.
stove,
The gas stove. Yes, not stove. Stove. The gas stove. Repeat. Gas stove.
gas stove.
Yes. Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Welcome, Anthony. I hope everybody is able to recollect what all we have tried to learn about things used in the living room and the kitchen. Now we will be going ahead and understanding about things kept in some other rooms of the house. Are you ready to learn ahead? Okay, just give me a second. Yeah. Daksha Lakshmi, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read about the bedroom. The bedroom.
In the bedroom,
Hmm.
we can see a bed, a table, lamp, some shelves, and a bedside table.
Very good. In the bedroom, we can definitely see a bed. My dear students, I remember in the previous year, I have explained to you about the correct usage of 2 words. What is this called? Bedroom. Yes, the room is called the bedroom. What is the name of this thing which we use to sleep in?
Bed.
It's the bed, right?
Yes.
It's the bed. Okay. But I have to ask you some questions. Did you notice the brown part and the colorful purple part, lavender purple part? Did you notice the 2 parts? Yes, the base, which is made using either wood or maybe some sort of metal. Right? There is another word for that part. Do you remember that?
No.
No. And the soft part has another name. Do you know?
The soft part.
The soft part which we use to sleep in
Blanket.
has no. That we use for covering, right? Covering ourselves if we feel cold.
Bed.
Yes. And what is the base part made using wood or metal called? But it has another name. Anybody else wishes to answer? Does anybody remember? You have learned this last year. Yes, Samanvaya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is it? Yes, very good. Spelling?
C-O-A-T.
No.
C-O-T.
C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. This base part on which the bed is kept is called the cot. It may be made either using wood or some metal. Cot. It is called the cot. And the soft part which is placed on the cot is called the bed. Understood, my dear students?
Yes.
Yes? Everyone? Okay.
Yes.
So in the bedroom, we can see a bed. We can also use the word cot. We can see a cot or bed. A table lamp. A table lamp, which is generally kept beside the cot or near the cot. And some shelves used for keeping important things that we need. Maybe some necessary clothes and all. And a bedside table. My dear students, try to understand. All this depends on the interest or the choice of the family members. It is not compulsory that a bedside table needs to be there in the bedroom. There is no compulsion like that. It all depends on the need and choice of the family members. But a cot and bed must definitely be there in the, and a table lamp also must always be there in the bedroom. Okay, the rest all depends on the choice of the family members. Clear? Suresh, unmute. Read about the dining room.
Table.
I want you to read this part.
The dining room have a
How? H-A-S.
has a
Hmm.
table
Hmm.
and chair.
Yes, the dining room has a table and chairs. Did you notice? A
Yes.
table and chairs. Ishan, unmute. Thank you, Suresh. Good effort.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ishan, you're welcome. Ishan, what is the table used in the dining room called? The table used in the dining room, what is it called?
Dining table.
As simple as that, right? The table used in the dining room is called the dining table. What is it used for? What is the meaning of dining?
Eating food.
Yes, very good. Dining means having food. But it is not about just having food. It is about having food together as a family. That is why we use the entire dining table. It means, Devadash, what is happening there? It means that the entire family, all the members in the family must sit at the dining table and have meals together. Okay? That helps in creating a very strong bond among the members of the family. Okay? Now, you all have learned the usage of the dining room, right? Yes? So, you must follow it. Have fun, have meals with your entire family together. The same way, the living room can also be used for having family fun time. The entire family can come together, sit, enjoy, play games, and so on in the living room. Recreation. Okay, everybody has a busy lifestyle. Children are busy in their studies, parents are working, grandparents are relaxing. All can come together and have some fun time either in the living room or in the bedroom. Everybody can have fun together. But see to it that you all must spend time with your family members. Will you try to do that? All of you? Yes. Okay, okay, good, good. Let us continue. Yeah, the next comes the bathroom. My dear students, in some homes, the bathroom and the toilet will be in the same room. It will be a huge room and one part will be used as the bathroom, but the other part will be used as the toilet. And there may be a basket which is used for keeping the dirty clothes or used clothes which will be later washed. Okay. All the clothes cannot be washed all the time, right? So some of the used clothes will be kept neatly in a basket. You must never throw the used clothes here and there. Never do that. All these rooms, we have learned many things about all these rooms in a house. But what is the most important rule about a house? We must keep our house neat and tidy. Neat and tidy. Keep everything organized. Okay? I hope you have got some idea about the usage of different things, the uses of different rooms in a house. Yes? Let us try to solve the exercises now. Please move to the next page, that is page number 12. Page number 12. Dear KP, unmute. Here we need to identify the things. You have to tell me the names of the things and tell me in which room do we keep these things. Yes, Dia. Identify the thing and tell me in which room is it kept.
Ma'am, which page?
Page number 12, my dear. 12, the next page.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What is it and tell me in which room is it kept. Dear,
Yes.
give me the answer.
First one.
Ah, yes, the first one. Identify it. What is it?
Makeup room.
Sorry. This one, what is it?
Makeup room.
It's not a makeup room. What is that thing called?
Makeuping.
What is it called? There is a particular word for that. Not makeuping, making up,
Making up.
putting makeup otherwise, or wearing makeup, not makeuping. What is it called? You cannot get the word. Anybody else wants to try? Raise your hands. What is this thing called? The first one. What is the name for that? Aradhya Pradeep. What is it called? Sorry?
Mirror.
Sorry? Mirror. No, my dear. The entire set has a name. What is it called? Yes, Abel Saju.
Mirror table.
No, my dear. Not mirror table. Anybody else wants to try? Ansel, I saw you raising your hand. Ansel, try. What is it called?
Dressing table.
Very good. It is called the dressing table. In which room is it kept? In which room is the dressing table placed or kept? Unmute, unmute. The dressing table is placed in the unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
In which room is it kept?
Dining room.
No, my dear.
Bedroom.
Bedroom, yes. The dressing table is placed in the bedroom. Bedroom. Very good. Thank you. Do you understood? What is the name of this thing? What is the name? Say again. Dressing table.
Table.
Dressing table. Yes, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, try to remember the term, okay? And Catherine, unmute. The second one. Identify and tell me in which room is it kept.
Toilet.
What is it? First you tell me what it is.
Brush.
Toothbrush and
Paste.
toothbrush and toothpaste. Now you tell me which room is it you kept in?
Bathroom.
In the bathroom. Yes, very good. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. Very good. Samanvaya, unmute. Identify the third one.
Yes, ma'am. Sofa.
Where is it kept?
Living room.
Very good. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living room. R-O-O-M. Room.
Thank
Living.
you, ma'am.
Welcome. Afrin, try the next one. Identify. And tell me where is it used? What is this?
Roaster.
Toaster. Very good. Where is it kept?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Yes. The toaster is placed in the kitchen. Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Anton Sminto. Anton, unmute. Next one. Where is it used? What is it? What is it and where is it used? What is it? Tell me the name first.
Dining room.
Dining room. Okay. What is this thing?
Dining table.
Dining table. Yes, very good. The dining table is placed in the dining room. Thank you, Anton. Good boy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Daksha Deepak, unmute. Try the next one.
Toast.
Number 6.
Bed.
I have told you the correct name. What is it? The bed is placed on something. What is the name of that part? Made using wood or metal. What is it called? Arav, try. What is it called?
Cot.
Cot, very good. And in which room is it placed?
Bedroom.
The bedroom, very good. Daksha, do you remember now? It is called the cot. Yes, Daksha? Daksha Deepak. What is it called?
Coat.
The cot. Not coat. Cot. C-O-T. Cot.
Coat.
Cot, yes. Okay, good, my dear. Thank you. Have you been able to write the answers, all of you? Okay. Let us move to the next exercise. Daksha Lakshmi, unmute. Read the first sentence. Exercise 2.2. We have to complete the sentences with the names of different rooms as given in the box. First one, Daksha.
I eat my dinner in the dining room.
Yes, very good. I eat my dinner in the dining room. I eat my dinner in the dining room. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. Devadarsh, try the second one. Devadarsh.
Yes, ma'am. I sleep in the bedroom.
I sleep in the bedroom. Yes, you're right. I sleep in the bedroom. 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 I sleep in the bedroom. Thank you. Devananda, try the third one.
I help my
Hmm. Parents. Parents.
cooking.
Hmm. Cook in. Those are two separate words. Cook in.
Cook in
The
the
hmm,
kitchen.
cook in the kitchen. Yes. I help my parents cook in the kitchen. Do you really do that, Devananda? Do you really do that? You must. Not only Devananda, everybody should try to help out in the family. Okay? All of you must try to help your parents. Whatever possible by you, that you must try to do. All of you. Okay, promise me that you will help your parents in the work. Yes? All are good children, right? Yes, my lovely little children. Very good, very good. Veda, unmute. Try the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. Okay.
Why do you need 1 minute, my dear? DRCS, please sit properly.
I take a
Hmm.
bath in.
I take a bath, not a bath. A bath.
I take a bath
Hmm.
the dash.
Hmm. A bath in the
I take a bath in the bathroom.
bathroom. Yes, very good. I take a bath in the
Ma'am,
bathroom.
I write all the answers.
I have written all the answers.
Ma'am, I have written on the answers.
Okay, very good, very good. These are simple things, right? But we must understand their usage. DRCS, try the fifth one. Dear, unmute. Yeah, fifth one. Not Gus. Guess. Guest. Yes. Guess.
Guests come and sit in the
Dash. First. First. Hmm. Where do they come and sit?
living room.
In the living room. Yes. Very good. Guests come and sit in the living room first. When some guests, see, we are aware of it, right? When some guests come to our homes, we make them, we request them to sit in the sofa, put in the living room. Okay, good, dear. Thank you. Anna Princeton, try the sixth one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I brush teeth in the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
Very good. BATH. Okay, welcome. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Okay. I want all of you to check the spellings of the answers that you have written. See whether all of you have written the answers correctly or not. All of you have to check. Completed? All of you have completed? Okay, good. Now let us read. Rose, unmute your device. Rose, can you hear me? Yeah. Rose, please read the first sentence. Unmute. Yeah, read. Switch on the video.
I eat my dinner in the
Uh,
dining room.
I eat my dinner in the dining room. Okay, very good. Aradhya Pradeep, read the second one.
I sleep in the bed.
I sleep in the bedroom. Okay, thank you. Sahasra, unmute. Switch on the camera and read the third one. Sahasra,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the second one. The third one.
I help my
Parents.
parents
Hmm.
cook in the kitchen.
Yes, I help my parents cook in the kitchen. Okay, Sahasra, don't switch off the camera. Abel Sarju, unmute. Fourth one.
I take a bath in the dash.
I take a bath in the
Bathroom.
bathroom. Very good. I take a bath in the bathroom. Malavika, unmute. Try the fifth one.
Guests come and sit in the living room.
Very good. Guests come and sit in the living room. Thank you. Andrea, then sixth one.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Okay, very good. I hope all of you are clear with the usage of these rooms in the houses and the correct words, the pronunciation part, right? Is there anybody who has any particular doubt about this part? Ashwajit is there today? Ashwajit, I did not see him. Abel Sijo? No. Rafan, are you facing network issues there? Okay, fine. May I stop sharing? That means all of you have understood this exercise on the various rooms used in the houses. Do you have any doubts about it? Is there any doubt in your mind? Raise your hand. Just raise your hand if you have any doubts. No? Okay, fine. So you have made me a promise that you will help your parents around the house, whatever possible by you, to be done by you. You have promised me that, right? Yes? And try to keep your home neat and clean. Yes? Keep your promise. Thank you very much. It's time for me to wind up the session here. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.